Hello, and welcome back to Lessons. This is day 6 of our 30-day English practice challenge. Yesterday, we talked about money. Today, we talk about time. How to say the time, how to ask about it, and how to make plans with someone. Meetings, coffee with a friend, a phone call. Everything in life happens at a time. Let's make sure you never miss it. Remember how this works. I say every phrase 2 times. After each one, there is a pause. That pause is for you. Say the phrase out loud. Ready? Let's begin. Part 1. The time trap. Here is a small word problem that can make you 1 hour late. Listen. 1:13. 1:30. They sound almost the same. But that's 17 minutes of difference. The secret is the stress. 13. The stress is at the end. 13. Repeat after me. 13. 30. The stress is at the start. Repeat after me. 30. And if you're not sure what you heard, just ask 13 or 30. Everyone does it. Even native speakers. Part 2. Telling the time. The question first. What time is it? Repeat after me. What time is it? Again. What time is it? Now the answers. For a full hour, use a clock. It's 3 o'clock. Repeat after me. It's 3 o'clock. Again. It's 3 o'clock. For everything else, just say the hour, then the minutes. It's 4:30. Repeat after me. It's 4:30. Again. It's 4:30. It's 7:15. Repeat after me. It's 7:15. Again. It's 7:15. It's 9:45. Repeat after me. It's 9:45. Again. It's 9:45. Hour, then minutes. That's the whole system. You don't need anything else to be understood. Part 3. Morning or evening. 6 o'clock happens 2 times every day. So which one do you mean? In everyday English, we usually don't say AM and PM. We say this instead. 6 in the morning. Repeat after me. 6 in the morning. Again. 6 in the morning. 6 in the evening. Repeat after me. 6 in the evening. Again. 6 in the evening. For the middle of the day and the middle of the night, there are 2 special words. At noon. Repeat after me. At noon. Again. At noon. Noon is 12 o'clock in the day. Lunchtime. And the other one. At midnight. Repeat after me. At midnight. Again. At midnight. Midnight is 12 o'clock at night. So, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. But at night, at noon, at midnight. Don't worry about the grammar too much. Say it a few times, and it starts to sound right. Part 4. Asking about schedules. Shops, banks, museums. You need to know when they open and close. Here are your 2 questions. What time does it open? Repeat after me. What time does it open? Again. What time does it open? What time does it close? Repeat after me. What time does it close? Again. What time does it close? And for a bus, a train, a movie. Ask when it starts. What time does it start? Repeat after me. What time does it start? Again. What time does it start? Same pattern every time. What time does it? Plus the action. Open, close, start, leave. One pattern, many questions. Part 5. Making plans. Now the fun part. Inviting someone. Step 1. Check if they have time. Are you free tomorrow? Repeat after me. Are you free tomorrow? Again. Are you free tomorrow? Free here means available, not busy. Step 2. Suggest a time. Let's meet at 6. Repeat after me. Let's meet at 6. Again. Let's meet at 6. Or make it a question, more polite. Does 7 work for you? Repeat after me. Does 7 work for you? Again. Does 7 work for you? Work here means, is it okay for you? If the time is good, answer like this. 7 works for me. Repeat after me. 7 works for me. Again. 7 works for me. And to finish the plan, the perfect goodbye. See you then. Repeat after me. See you then. Again. See you then. Then means the time you agreed. 2 little words, and the plan is complete. Part 6. Real conversation. Let's hear it all together. 2 friends making a plan. Just listen. Hey, are you free tomorrow? Tomorrow? Yes, after work. Great. Let's get coffee. Does 5:30 work for you? 5:30 is difficult. Does 6 work? 6 works for me. See you then. See you. Now it's your turn. I invite you, and you answer in the pauses. Ready? Hi, are you free tomorrow? Great. Does 4:30 work for you? Perfect. See you then. Fantastic work. You just made a real plan in English. Don't forget, we meet at 4:30. Quick recap. I say each phrase one time. You repeat one time. Ready? What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. It's 4:30. 6 in the morning. 6 in the evening. At noon. At midnight. What time does it open? What time does it close? What time does it start? Are you free tomorrow? Let's meet at 6. Does 7 work for you? 7 works for me. See you then. Excellent. Time and plans. Complete. Here is your challenge for today. Look at a clock right now and write the time in the comments, in words, not numbers. And tell me, are you free tomorrow? I read the comments, and I will reply to you. Day 6. Complete. You did a great job today. Practice again tomorrow, and making plans in English will feel automatic. If this lesson helped you, press the like button and subscribe for day 7. See you then. Bye-bye.